Hi guys, an earthquake of magnitude 5.9 hits Afghanistan on the 22nd of June. Okay, the earthquake was of magnitude 5.9, as you guys can read it there, and over 1,000 people were killed and around 1,500 injured. Okay, it has happened in Afghanistan, not far from India and Pakistan, and also Pakistan was affected by this earthquake. Okay, so as you guys can read it, at least 1,000 people are killed and the magnitude of earthquake was 5.9. It has happened on the 22nd of June. It has happened in the southeastern part of Afghanistan, which is near Pakistan border. And as you know, Afghanistan is in the northern part of India. That's a lot actually, guys. Over 1,000 people killed. I'll let you guys read it. Now guys, I want you to see what I dream like 1 year ago, months to months, meaning on the 20th of June 2021. I'll let you guys see what I dreamed. I saw as per my dream, the magnitude of the earthquake was 7.4, but in fact it was 5.9. So I got this one wrong, but I knew it will be in the region of India. And as I said, Afghanistan is in the northern part of India. And I also wrote it there as India or any neighboring countries. And I also knew over 1,000 people will die. So guys, I pretty much get it. Again, I will say the precision of this dream is 75%. Please watch it and share it, guys. Apart from me, I don't think there is anybody on this planet who knows things like that. Thank you.